What's going on YouTube? TDOT GlobeTrotter here, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to give you 3 things you need to know before your next flight. So thing number 1, which is if you're traveling with another person, I would strongly recommend this idea. So when you're choosing your seats, book an aisle and window seat. Typically, if the plane is not full, most likely people aren't going to be in the middle seat. And people usually, those are the preferred seats, aisle and window. So again, if the plane is not full, then you might have a whole row to yourselves. So for number 2, there is frequent flyer programs for a lot of airlines, and people don't realize that some airlines, they work with each other. So I'll give you an example. United and Air Canada, WestJet, Delta, they all have an agreement with each other. So anywhere you fly to, always sign up for the frequent flyer program. So I know there's Star Alliance, there's One World, and they have a few others as well. But I'll sign up for that, and then you can build points. Maybe you might get a free flight someday, free perks, and then it's usually beneficial. So always sign up for the frequent flyer programs. For the third thing, I would suggest, so I'm from Canada, and there is a website called travel.gc.ca. So that website helps Canadian travelers let them know about where they're going to. So if you're going to, let's say, Egypt, or let's say you're going to Thailand, anywhere, it will let you know what you need, any restrictions. And a lot of people ask me, or travel agents in general, do I need a visa? I know Brazil, you now need a visa. And then there's payments if you go to certain countries. So definitely go to travel.gc.ca. That will give you all the tips and things you need to know when you arrive to the country. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell for post notifications. I also do vlogs every Monday, and I post it on this channel. Let me know if you guys have any questions, what you thought of the video, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. And that's a wrap. T.Globetrotter out. Peace.